Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can bring back the missing hide keyboard button on your Samsung Galaxy S20 or the Galaxy S21 series. So you can see here on my keyboard at the moment I have a hide button where I can just tap on it. That will hide the keyboard. So to bring it back, what you can do is first go back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top to open up settings. So tap on settings. In settings you can go down and tap on displayed, then go down and tap on navigation bar. And here you can tap on show button to hide keyboard, so tap on that button to turn it on. To bring it back, if it is set to off, you can see that on my keyboard here. If I bring up the keyboard, you can see the button is now gone. Now, if I need to hide the keyboard without the buttons, I can swipe it at the top above the keyboard, inwards like that, to hide the keyboard. Otherwise, if you want to bring back the button, you can go in here and tap on show button to hide keyboard. And then if we bring up the keyboard, you can see now there is a button with the down arrow. If I tap on that, that will hide the keyboard. Now I think in settings, if you go in settings and go down to the keyboard section, so I'm just going to open up keyboard, Samsung keyboard. So we're going to open up the keyboard list and default. In here there is also a show button to hide keyboard in here as well. So two places where you can find the show button to hide keyboard is in the keyboard list and default, and the other one is in the navigation screen, which is up here. So you go to displayed and navigation bar. In navigation bar you should be able to access that feature as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.